byproducts. Yeah, they put cottonseed oil in everything. Yep. Cotton byproduct. Don't eat that stuff. It's not good. The boll weevil. Yep. Yeah. You want to know why everybody's sick? It's because of soybean oil. So this is a museum of Arkansas plantation, something like that, like plantation agriculture. So here we have soybeans, rice. In this region, I'm in Scott, Arkansas. Yeah, Plantation Agriculture Museum. So this is kind of a neat little place. They've got like a little setup here. I think this is technically a state park. This museum. So they still do. They grow a lot of cotton here, not right here, but more like further south of here. And this was a major hub of cotton processing. Oh, look at that big bunny. Hey, bunny. You look like the bunny in my yard. Look at all them bunnies. Look at all them bunnies. What was I saying? Yeah, so there was a major cotton trade in this region. Probably still is. Maybe not quite to the extent that it was, but certainly still going on. I'm surprised how many antique agricultural pieces of equipment I've seen today. Just coincidentally, I didn't know this stuff was here. I was just driving by. Wow, this is an old combine. This is a cotton picker. A combine specifically for cotton. It's pretty neat. That's got to be one of the very early models. Can you imagine sitting there all day up on that thing and all this stuff flying in your face all day? All this dust. Had to be a really dirty job. Oh, you don't want to get caught up in that. Yikes. Look at all that. Interesting. Anyway, not a whole lot to see here. I'm not going to go walk the entire property, but just interesting. Scott, Arkansas, the Plantation Agriculture Museum. And I just had a weather warning that there's a big storm moving in, so I guess I got here just in time. Look at this little dude. Hey, buddy. Look at that little bunny. What a cutie. I'll zoom in on the bunny. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.